dropping things. Okay, it's too hot. Hey, what's up? It's Emma. Welcome back to my channel. We're doing a full day of eating / day in the life. I'm a freelancer, so I work from home, and I've also been eating like shit. So I wanted to take today to kind of eat really well and show you guys some of my favorite recipes right now, because what was that? I like kissed my finger, but you're supposed to go. Anyway, I want to show you guys what I'm going to be eating today. It's 11 a.m. and I'm going to have my first thing of the day, which is coffee. These things are freaking amazing. They're the La Colombe coffee, like triple shots that you can get at like different grocery stores, and they equal to 3 shots of espresso. So I'm in it today. I'm committed. Alright guys, first meal of the day, I'm going to be making this Greek salad. It is so freaking good. So here's what you're gonna need. Butter lettuce, cucumbers, goddess dressing, hard-boiled eggs, grape tomatoes, feta cheese, and avocado. That's it. I have this huge bowl because my boyfriend's gonna have some. I know, I'm just gonna serve myself first, I guess. Adding some pepper. Oh, so good. Here with a midday update, I have been working all morning and just like chilling, but we got a new couch today, which I'm so excited about. We like have been looking for a couch for a really long time, and we ended up getting it like a few weeks ago, and then it finally got delivered today. Booyah. Here it is. Oh my God, it's so big and cute. And I love it because it has this wedge here. Pretty cool. And then right now, I'm like hungry again. So I'm just gonna have this leftover salad that was remaining from lunch. And I really wanted like crackers to dip it in and scoop it up. I don't have any, so now I know that I wanna get some. But yeah, I'm gonna have this as like a snack, I guess. I'm hungry again, and I realized that I haven't really had any carbs today, so I'm gonna have a banana with some almond butter, honey, and cinnamon. Nick and I are taking a yoga class. I don't know what time, we haven't booked it yet, but we're going to, and so I need some carbs. I realized I haven't really like eaten that much today, but I've been really sedentary and just like working, so we're gonna fix that, get some calories in. By the way, I don't count calories because I struggle with eating and my body, and I become obsessive, and that just is not good for me because I've had like a past of eating disorders, and I don't like counting calories, so I just like to eat really good food, really good whole food, and a lot of it. Okay, slight change in plans. We're going to go to SoulCycle, and by we, I mean my sister's over. And we're gonna go to SoulCycle instead of yoga, and I'm gonna take off my makeup right now because I hate taking classes with a full face of makeup on. I just wanna sweat it all off. So we're gonna walk over there, and then we'll have dinner together, and it'll be fabulous. If you don't look like this post-workout, we've got some issues. Actually, no, I'm just jealous of you. Wait, what? I just look awful after I work out. We're going into Pavilions, getting ingredients for din din. This lighting is bad. I don't have eyebrows. Do you want one? Wait, yeah, get one for Nick too. I'm back from Seoul, and it's time to make dinner. I picked up a rotisserie chicken because I found this kale gnocchi today from Trader Joe's, and I was like, I want this with chicken and pesto sauce. That sounds so good. I will have had a lot of vegetables today after this, so I'm pretty excited about it. It says it's held together with potato and chickpea starches, contains loads of flavor, and for best texture, crisp them in a non-stick pan with olive oil, butter, or ghee, whatever. Okay, so I'm gonna put these on the stovetop.
popular a few years ago.
That was a nice trend a couple of years ago.
Babe, did you want any of it with the pesto?
No, I don't eat sludge.
This looks really bad, but it's going to be really good because it's going to be like pesto chicken and kale gnocchi. Let me try it for you. Ah! What is wrong with me? Okay, wait, that was the gnocchi. Okay, I'm gonna try it. That tastes really freaking good with pesto on it. I will say without any sauce, this is not yummy, but the pesto makes it amazing.
Yay.
So that's dinner. That's it.